This is Jeff with Zama Carburetors. I want to talk about the W26 today. I've had a couple of calls in tech support on this little black piece on the Airhead assembly breaking, and I'd like to show everyone how to change that out. It's a simple fix. You don't need to replace the carburetor. All you need to do is get the Airhead assembly, and the number will be, part number for this Airhead assembly will be at the bottom of the video here. But what it's done, this black piece has broken, as you can see, and when you press the trigger, it goes to accelerate and open this second Airhead, and it's unable to do so because that piece is broken. So what you would have to do, you would have to order this entire back piece here. It's made that way. It comes to the factory that way. So you'd have to order this whole back piece. Here's the new back piece and how it would come to you. All you have to do, there's 2 screws in the back. You want to remove those 2 screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Take the first one out. Second one. In between the Airhead body assembly and the carburetor itself is going to be a gasket. The gasket does not come with the new Airhead assembly because normally it does not need to be changed, and here it is. What I usually do is just remove the broken Airhead assembly, take the new one. I usually try to place the gasket on there, put a screw, at least one of the screws in through the hole. And what you want to do, it's easy to get this mixed up when you go to put it back on. Sometimes you'll put it upside down. You want to be sure that the Airhead is lining up with your throttle lever. So I'll just line this one up and get at least the first hole started. Once I get it started, then I'll find the second one. So get that started. I'll take my second screw and I will get it started next. Screw it all the way in good. Both screws. You've got your gasket in between your Airhead body assembly and your carburetor. Then you'll just want to check it by just moving. See how you can see how it opens the second Airhead now, where before it wouldn't. And it's that easy of a fix. And you can order this Airhead assembly through any Zama distributor. And for a list of Zama distributors, you can go to our website at zamacorp, ZAMACORP.com. And under support will be a list of distributors that you can call and order this piece. I hope to have a few more videos coming up in the next couple of weeks. Thank you for your time.